Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mexican cornbread with ground beef easy guide. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and brown 1 lb ground beef with taco seasoning, then remove excess fat and set beef aside. Whisk cornmeal, flour, baking powder, salt, eggs, milk, and melted butter into a smooth batter. Fold in beef, chopped peppers, and shredded cheese. Pour into a greased pan and bake until a toothpick comes out clean and top is golden. Warm and friendly, here's how to build a flavorful filling for your cornbread. Start by browning 1 lb ground beef in a skillet, then drain off any excess fat for a lighter result. Add diced onion, chopped green chilies, and 1 tablespoon taco seasoning, stirring until fragrant. Fold in 1 cup shredded cheese off the heat to prevent it from becoming greasy. Let the mixture cool slightly before combining with the batter. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. On another note, the compact reading device shown is great for reading recipes hands-free while cooking, and it's perfect for kitchen counters and cramped spaces. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you like the idea. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's make the batter and bake your cornbread to golden perfection. In a bowl, combine 1 cup cornmeal, 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Whisk in 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, and 4 tablespoons melted butter until smooth and lump-free. Gently fold the cooled beef mixture into the batter, pour into a greased 9x9 pan, and bake 20 to 25 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean and the top is nicely browned.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.